Limousine services provided by Celebrity Limousine. Ride in comfort and style for all your special occasions.
All right, feeling uninspired in the kitchen? Well, Chef Randy Feltis and Catherine Feltis, TikTok stars and co-authors of the cookbook Catherine Wants, Randy Cooks, are here to help spice up date night. Thanks for being here, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Thinking date night here, right? Valentine's Day right around the corner.
Right around the corner.
So what do you have for us for a romantic night in?
Well, the whole book is full of about 100 ideas with recipes, so it's the gift that keeps on giving, right? So if you get this for your loved one for Valentine's Day, it's their duty to cook everything in the book and get through it.
You need the checklist, right?
You need
The Excel spreadsheet, making sure how it was, give it a rating. It's all 10 out of 10.
It's all 10 out of 10. Forget the flowers, right? So we're going to start with a cocktail. Catherine's going to get some gloves on here because she's get busy on the meatballs and
Okay, sure.
But our first chapter is called Break the Ice.
Okay.
And so it's a series of restaurant-style cocktails you can make at home. So this one is a jalapeno, cilantro, lime, maple syrup margarita.
Okay. All right.
Right.
So let me. What do we do?
And then we got to finish it off with a little touch of black pepper.
Because that was Catherine was saying that you got a lot of flavors in this, right?
A lot of flavors. You get some sweetness from the maple syrup. So we don't use simple syrup.
Okay.
We use maple syrup because it's better for you, and it comes from the family farm.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? So
Awesome.
we keep things local. And then you get the heat from the jalapeno, the lime, and just give that a little.
All right.
That's
Okay.
fantastic.
If you insist, I normally don't drink at 8:20 in the morning, but if you insist,
It's a holiday. Yeah.
oh my gosh.
Delicious,
Right?
right?
Yeah. And that cilantro just gives it that extra freshness almost
Yes.
that hits you as soon as you take a sip.
Yeah.
I might be finishing this.
Don't
All
worry,
right.
don't put it down. You're good.
Let's talk about the meatballs.
Let's talk about meatballs. So we've got shallots, garlic, equal portions pork and beef, and the secret, well, a lot of parsley. Catherine likes parsley everywhere, don't you?
What she wants. That's the name of the book. Catherine Wants.
Right.
Yes.
Whatever she needs is going in. And then the other secret is a lot of milk. And
Okay.
don't splash your partner while you're at it, right? You're gonna get a little messy later.
All right. Milk. Eh?
Milk.
Okay.
So we're adding some moisture to the mixture. No eggs, and we want them to be so lean and clean and just like fall apart, right? So the parsley's there for flavor, the garlic, the
I gotta
shallots
get
is all in it. You're just gonna get. Oh, she's gonna.
There
get
she's
right
going in. She's
See?
going in. Yeah. It's meatballs.
It's a
You gotta
meatball.
do it the right way, right?
Yes.
And then look at that cute little meatball. And then instead of roasting and searing,
Yeah.
this is old school Sicilian. We're gonna poach. So in it goes into just simmering stock. So the sauce is gonna flavor the meatball. The meatball is gonna flavor the sauce. Everyone's gonna live happily ever after. It's gonna be a romantic little
Yeah.
night. And then one thing that people kind of forget about is something called polenta.
Okay,
It's just a
yeah.
little bit of cornmeal. We've got way too much cheddar cheese in there. The stove's gonna get angry until I put the pan back down. That's
Those
not a problem.
induction stoves.
Right.
All right. So nice polenta there.
Now, when you go to Italy, you're gonna eat some polenta, and you'll be like, you know what? I like the texture, but they don't hit it with a ton of flavor.
Yeah.
So here in North America, we don't have to listen to our grandmothers. We can do it our own way.
My grandmother's listening right now and saying,
Sorry,
"You better
Grandma.
listen." Yeah, you
So
better
sorry.
listen.
So what I can do with this is we're gonna bang it full of like goat cheese and sharp cheddar, and then we're just gonna layer. Look at these like soft little gorgeous.
And again, you're keeping no dirty pans, not going in the oven, just simple steps, right,
Exactly.
Catherine?
Exactly.
Awesome.
And we try to keep it clean at home, but you know.
Well, one of us does. The other one is so good at it. You know what I
Look
mean?
at that. Look at that.
What
We
we're gonna do
have to finish
is
with
finish
that.
with a touch of parmesan. Well, maybe.
Okay.
One of us gets a little bit messier than the other in the kitchen. You know? Every couple has to have the mess maker
Yeah.
and the cleaner, right?
Oh, that's the way it goes, right?
So there we go.
Okay, so we got our drink, we got our entree. What do we got going on over here?
Okay, every cook needs that signature chocolate dish that you just make it, it comes together. When everyone tastes it, they're like, what happened there? So it's a really simple short pastry. You can make it in your Cuisinart. It comes together in a couple minutes. You have to rest it, and then you do a thin blind bake. The chocolate just gets cream, 53% cocoa chocolate, and then you let it set.
Okay.
You walk away, and you watch the spoon go through. It's like, what?
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Oh, but wait, don't
Oh,
do
wait,
that.
wait.
We got to finish with one special thing. The Salt Bay flaky salt
there
down
we
there.
go.
Now
There
we're
we
good to
go.
Here
All
we
right.
are.
I always get in trouble for taking 2 big bites here on television, but I'm gonna take a little one, and I'm gonna take a big one off here. Where can people find more information about you guys? You're crazy big on TikTok right now, but where can we find you?
Catherine Wants on Instagram, Catherine Wants on TikTok, CatherineWants.com.
Yeah, our book's available on Amazon, Indigo, Barnes and Noble.
Everywhere.
Yes,
Everywhere.
All right. I said I was going to take small bites. Let me finish this by the end of the segment. This is delicious. Catherine and Randy, thank you guys so much.
you so
Really
much.
appreciate it. All right,
Thank you.
we'll put their information up on our website as well, chch.com/morninglive.
Happy Valentine's Day.